I like the birds sound. Finally, I think after COVID 2 years now, this area have a lot the homeless people put the tent around here. It's kind of sad to see that Canada have a lot of homeless than we used to have before. Of course, in situation, I don't like to judge people why they have to camp here, because life, they have to do whatever they have to do. Still have some people got make a fire here, and of course over there it's just like a river, the canal a little bit. They shower, laundry, everything after COVID. So it's hard to see those people homeless, and I just looking back myself when I have nobody, no one helping me much in the COVID time. If you are immigration, I don't care where are you, but you know it that when we live alone, another side of the country, no family, how you feel. You cannot get out. You cannot stay in without survivor either. So, and I will come and share about my story about that. But today I like to continue the story of my get the divorce in Canada. It's not a good experience, but I learned something for sure. That's why I like just come into NuchMaple, create this channel to be NuchMaple life story, share to whoever come to Canada with immigration, marry, or prenup from your future husband. Before you get married, think twice and find some solution or legally advice before you sign your paper. So let me walk up to the stair, go home, get some fresh air, and I will tell you story. This is the jungle. I like to sit here, but I am scared that I'm gonna be here by myself, because a lot of gentlemen and men that walking. Wow, look at this tree, huge. This is a big tree. This gonna be my walk up challenging. This is walking up. Let's go for a walk. Let's see, I counting how many stairs that I walking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 11, 12, 13. I lost count number. Okay. Let's go for a walk. Upstairs. Cardio zone 2. $54. You still can do it. Happy Canada Day to everybody. So enjoy summer, because now we got the heat warning. So gonna go home before noon. Today I got one golf ball. There you go. I make it. My challenging today. Wow. I remember first time when I walk around here, I have to stop halfway. Halfway to catch my breath. And now, after COVID over, I need my body back. I need my energy back. Okay, let's go for a walk back to the house, and I will come back and share my story. NuchMaple life story in Canada. Happy Canada Day. My life in Canada, 22-year complete for sure. So here I am. Come out, enjoy the sunshine. I'm really grateful for where I am this day of my life. Half of my life, 20 year plus, I living in Canada. Oh, found the golf ball. This is nearby the golf course, so someone might hit. Okay, I would like to share with you about my experience from my devote in Canada. Let's continue from last clip that I mentioned, that how I am nervous about it, how I am scary, and what happening. It's a lot of things happening. Let's find some spot. This is afternoon now. Can I sit here? It's kind of quiet, so I'm gonna go home, have some cold drink, have some lunch, and I will come back and share you my experience life, get a divorce in Canada. See you soon.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe, with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named, while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. She hums a tune I've never heard, in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist, and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in Madrid, or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too late? Oh, traveler. The world is your open gate, and I just stood afraid of fate. If I don't take that step today, you'll vanish with the train, and I'll never see your smile again.
ready to scream people ต้องตะโกนดังๆนะคะ it's a big one here they come on pick me up เอาหนูไปด้วย